Alright guys, before we get started here, I just wanted to say that some of my footage when I was switching it from my laptop over to my main PC to edit, it got corrupted, and I don't have some of the beginning footage of where I power washed the boat, but here you can see me talking about putting my camera in time-lapse mode, and I'm also gonna start painting the boat, so let's hop right into it. This is what it looks like so far. It's pretty clean. There's a couple of things, like some shit fell from the tree. I'll have to get that out. But other than that, it's pretty good. It's ready to paint. I'm gonna probably paint the outside and the bottom. Well, the entire thing I'm gonna paint white, including the bottom, and then I'm gonna drop it in the water, get the outline of the bottom, or the watermark on the outside of it, and then paint it black. But for now, it's gonna be white. So, throw some time-lapse mode, and let's get started. So you guys are probably wondering what kind of paint I'm using to paint the boat. It's Rust-Oleum white gloss paint. I'll throw a picture of it up right now, and also throw up a second picture of the bottom. I'm going to paint it black. But that's going to do it, and just sit back, relax, and enjoy.
There is concrete below me and a sky above so blue. I'm finally leaving Austin and I wish it was with you. I am just a sickness and you seem to be the cure. How much can a southern girl honestly endure? Remember Northwest mountains, they were snow-capped in June. You were napping on my arms on a Sunday afternoon. Babe, I've gotta heal myself from the things I've never felt. Repression is my heaven, but I'd rather go through hell. It's about time that I left Austin. About time you settled down with a man who doesn't move as quick as train rolling through town. About time that I faced the hard times I've let go. Love was just an ocean I would drown before I fall. You remember getting drunk on the outskirts of this town when I gave you all I had, but it still let you down. Everyone I've ever loved has either left or died. Wish I was born with concrete shoes, but I'm leaving tonight. It's about time that I left Austin. About time you settled down with a man who doesn't move as quick as a train's rolling through the town. About time.
I guess I wrote it like someone's looking in the mirror and they can realize that they can reclaim themselves, and after the rough spots in life they kind of just have to call themselves theirs again and know that no matter what they can always go back to who they were.
You are mine again. Every mistake that you made, all the people that you saved, took a little piece of you with them. You are mine again, and I'm so damn glad you're here, talking sober, calm and clear, like you couldn't back then. How many sad songs it takes to get your stubborn ass away? Well, finally got you rising from your bed. Was it the sunset on her cheeks leading down to the...
Alright guys, so I don't know if I showed you guys yet, but this is a boat right now. It's half painted. This is only the first coat. So we're gonna do 2 coats. I'm almost out of the first thing of paint, And I still have to do the outside too, so. Yeah. Austin, you're doing it wrong.
I don't care.
Let me see. I'm gonna show you. So you take the roller. Watch me. You got the roller. You take it, you put it in paint. You get a little bit, all right? Get a little bit on the roller.
Yep.
Take it and you do this. So now on the roller, it's all evened out of paint.
Yeah.
So now the roller's full of paint. It's evened out.
Cool.
And now you take that and then you start painting.
Ooh.
Yeah, so I don't know if I'm gonna get copyrighted for the song. Most likely I will be, so yeah. Left or right? Can you say? Can you say? My heavy dirty soul.
Delicate collarbone, the judgment of your mind when you're alone. Mine again, my fondest friend, where the hell you been? I've been struggling to get back to you. And if you fight all night, I'm sure you'll gain the guts to try to get past the things that you've been through. No one plays the fool quite like you. Those times you got still turning, is that spirit you had still burning? You still talk that shit the way you did before. And all the women and the wages and the wars that I've been waging, I just don't feel like fighting anymore. Mine again, my fondest friend, where the hell you been? I've been struggling to get back to you. And if you fight all night, I'm sure you'll gain the guts to try. It ain't your fault what you've been through. No one plays it cool quite the way you do. Head back home and be who you.
It's been a while since I had my way. Been some time since I had me a day. I think it's time that I rearrange, yeah. No peace of mind in this state I'm in. Last time I saw that look in your eyes, you said, my guy, I got a little surprise, yeah. 1, 2, 3, go back to Diesel Creek, and we're running wild and I'm feeling mean.
Alright guys, I just wanted to say thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe, comment down below on how I can make my channel better, of course. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. See ya.